Today we're going to be learning the Jersey slide. It looks like this. The first step of this trick is to throw a trapeze. After that, you insert your non-throw hand thumb into the backside of your trapeze. Using your 4 free fingers on your non-throw hand, move them inside the strings between your trapeze and gently separate your trapeze mount using your non-throw hand knuckles. Spread your hand apart as wide as possible, making sure your string is pressed against all your fingers. Next, you're going to want to wrap your string attached to your throw hand by rotating it away from your body and around your thumb. Spread the string wrapped around your throw hand with your thumb. Be sure you're spreading your hands as far as you can to create the tension necessary for this trick. Now, using your thumbs on both hands, lift the string from the underside that is mounting the yo-yo, not the string that's attached to the yo-yo. It's the string that's below the yo-yo on this one. Once your thumbs are placed, start to lift them and cradle both hands underneath the yo-yo. Make sure the strings wrapped around your hands are aligned. This will make sure that your yo-yo stays mounted on the string and make the next part much easier. Once you're here, your pinky fingers on both hands will pinch the yo-yo string, making sure there isn't too much slack, allowing your yo-yo to fall off the string. To perform the sliding motion of this trick, move your hands to the left and right against the momentum of the yo-yo. If the bottom string is the right length, it shouldn't bump into either of your thumbs, and it'll really help create that floating illusion while you do it. For this part, pinkies are key, so if your yo-yo is bumping into your thumb at all, try spreading your hand out and pulling that bottom string down with your pinkies. The most common problem players have when performing this trick is a lot of times their hands aren't spread out enough. So when you do each section of this trick, you want to make sure that you're spreading the string out as wide as possible, and it'll create that tension necessary to get that slide motion looking correct. After the trick, to dismount, just unwrap the strings, insert your non-throw hand index back into the string, and you'll be back in a trapeze. Altogether, the Jersey slide looks like this.